Zanimboto Day Living Rivers, Reviving Ecology, Culture and Sustainable Livelihood Koigina Theme Day, World Rivers Day Manai Jani Paishe. Ito program do Nagaland Community Conserved Areas Forum Khan Himalaya Project Laga Forest and Biodiversity Logode Miligina Zanimboto Cornerstone Higher Secondary School Day Ayujan Krishe. Officials, conservationists, village leaders, students, aro community members kan hissa loigina Nagaland laga rivers opore ecological aro culture laga bishi zarurat opor jankari digina itu hohai gina rakhibule junaishe. Extra Assistant Commissioner L Chinglem Konyakpa program de kota kuria homoy gas Katia, Janwargi Mora, Mas Kushi Duria, Aro, Chapra Nishna, Litera Khan Palpra Napela Nimide, Pani Laga ecosystem Khan Bia Kuridia Sikukina, Junaidishe. You do upper Pani Tagya Jagade, harmful fishing, or commercial extraction, can't condemn Krishi.
Why are rivers important? Rivers means water. Water means life. Life means biodiversity. So let me just try to connect the rivers with the thing that is ahead of it and the thing that comes after it. What comes ahead of the river? I presume it will be the forest, the biodiversity, the landscape as a whole. The landscape of an ecosystem, of a biodiversity-rich area, the slope, the gradients, it flows and then it forms a river. And when rivers are there, it is again connected to our livelihood. So let me try to put the river in the middle and then try to explain the things around it. We celebrate a lot of days. Environment, biodiversity and specificity, certain even to the minutes of an individual. But when we talk about river, it is a broad-based thing. It's not, we are not talking about World or Zanimboto Dizzy River Day. It's not about Nagaland Doyam River Day. It is a World Rivers Day. And why? Because rivers form a part, an important part of human civilization. If you look at human civilizations, the early civilizations of the world, it started near the rivers. Everything started from the river. Why? Because rivers had laws to give to mankind. And that is the reason why rivers are so important even today. We try to conserve our water resources, and particularly today we are discussing about the rivers. Nagaland has got lots of small tributaries feeding our major rivers. We have Doyam, we have Diku. Doyam is in Oka, Zanimboto, this Kohima, these areas. Diku is in Mokuchung area side. Then we have Tizu, Pei, this numerous big rivers. And there are small rivers which feeds these bigger rivers. And it forms sort of a landscape. Where we are residing, where we stay, we are dependent on this river. Many actions are done with an intention of doing good for our rivers.
So we should be we should find a practical solution. We should do at least one thing innovative. See, even in market, residential days, nobody thinks that how comes in a small village like Sky? No, how can tourists will come there? We think like that. But no, we are expecting around, in a year we are expecting more than, most of the time, more than 200, 300 tourists. It flooded the Sky and I think everyone heard about our biodiversity festival, that is June Festival, right? As a student, we should always think about innovative ideas and mindset. Not only confined to the textbook, no? Only if we depend on the lectures and depending on the textbook, then you cannot compete with this world. You should have some idea, innovative business idea. Everyone is talking about the business. Say like Ahonya. Even it can brand it with the international brand. Ahonya. Even soybean, it has different processing like soya nut, soya milk, soya oil, soya pickle, and so on and so forth. But then, and you know, at this stage, there's so many marketing platforms. Even from your hair itself, from Singapore, we can sell our products.
In the context of Achilaga World Rivers Day, culture work when I speak on culture in the context of rivers and environment. Right, culture at Mohan hunting and fishing also. In the context of Malay environment was now. Culture fishing and hunting as fellow of trees, timber law, gas katina go banana. Kile beliau pakai gro barat asikali aso. Pulau barat man itu gas panen itu atas tanah itu gas katiarkan. Our dream cultivation not hiti katiarkan. That's those are some of the points which are related to culture in the context of today's event.
Let us practice a future where every river in our state runs clean and free, where wetlands thrive, and where young people celebrate festivals by the water without fear of pollution. Together, let us keep our river living, revive ecology, culture, and ensure sustainable livelihood for generations to come. Thank you.
Our very life will depend on how we conserve our environment.